So let me show you how to update your Huawei Watch Fit 4 or Fit 4 Pro. So if you press the crown, it takes you to your main menu. And then on the main menu, tap on settings and it brings you to this main settings page. Now, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you will see system and updates. So you can tap on that and then you should see software update. Tap on that and it's currently checking the current version. Now, if there's an available update, if you tap there, it will let you know. But for me, currently, I'm up to date. But in case there was an update available, it will let you know and you can just check anytime and try to update your watch. Now, you can also set your watch to update automatically without having to go through that process. So if you go to the Huawei Health app and then tap on devices and then tap on your watch, on the watch page, scroll down to firmware update, tap on that, and then on this page, even though we're currently up to date, there's a settings wheel icon in the top right corner, which you can tap on, and you want to enable these two options. Auto download over Wi-Fi. So that means as long as you're connected to Wi-Fi, your phone will check for available updates for the watch and download them. And also, you can enable auto install updates and restart the device when not in use. So anytime you're not using the watch, your phone will download the updates, send them to the watch. Your watch will install the updates and then restart even without your input. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.